And this is from MOX Monsters. I wanted to show support by buying it. But of course, being a cheapskate, cannot afford much. I bought one box. And I didn't really want to open it up or unbox it in the venue. And I wanted to do it at the comfort of my own home. Or maybe I'm just too used to what I do. But anyway, I'm unsure if it's all sold out by the end of this Artbox event. I mean, the second week. But it's interesting. I don't know if I mentioned before or if people have read. But MOX Monsters is a local brand of local producers of toys. They produce toys. They make your toys out of 3D printing or casting. And this came about from the Kenneth's ideas to want to showcase what his company is able to do by creating their own IP characters. Yeah? So this was something that he did for the purposes of Artbox Camp. And he sold this, and he made all this blind box, at a price that I think will shock a lot of people. I feel, or it shocked me apparently. And it's a blind box pull for $18. It's like, wow. I'll show you what it is if you have not really seen on his socials. But let's see what I pulled. I literally pulled that. If you're there and you're nice to him, you chat with him, he can literally guide you into pulling what figures you might be looking for. But I thought to give it a try and just grabbed what I can. Oh, there's a card. Oh, I didn't want to see the card. I saw the card, lalama. Crap. Anyway, let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, I see the card, then I might as well take it out. And that's the beauty of it. The card, lovely that he has a card there. It's a mosquito. So uncommon. So whether or not this is a chase mosquito, I don't know. I'm a bit lost after a while. Yeah, it might be a chase mosquito rather than regular mosquito. So, kinda cool. It's so funny. In my last video, last week's video, I actually took one out of display and held it in hand and filled it, and it's on my reels. You have a look at it. So did I get this? Yeah, probably. Spoiled my own surprise. Where's the tear? Ta-da! Yeah, I didn't tear that well. Wait, give me a moment. Need to do a snippy snip. Also be careful how you snip the stuff. Like the dude who snipped part of his Pokemon cards or something. Maybe not Pokemon cards. I'm big ignorant. But anyway. Nice, I got the chase. Surprise. Yeah, I got the chase. Oh, it says so here. Uncommon. Mosquito, uncommon. Rare. So I got myself a mosquito. Nice. So this 3D printed, casted. Not 3D printed, I think casted. And hand painted. So for a hand painted piece like this, for $18 is ridiculous, bro. So I don't know, I'm not asked, but I doubt if he's going to have any more of these for sale after the event ends, unless there's spare. I don't know if he's going to make any more. But this is rock and roll. Proper markings also. Nice lah. Hey, Mr. Space Lobster. Nice to see you here. Hi. It is neat. Mosquitoes. That's the theme of this series, Unwantables. Basically pests. Local pests that we recognize or know what a ball. There's the toad, mosquito, and cockroach. Swole mutated cockroach. Hilarious, man. Remind me of Terraformers. If anybody is familiar with that anime. Okay, let me put this aside.